You're watching Masters in Trading Live with Jonathan Rose.
Friday's video, guys. Friday's video, it almost I think it went viral. Every time we present these MIT Lives, we always get like 500 or 600 viewers for that day. But Friday's video was the most views that we've ever had in a week's period. That video has 12,000 views and about 600 likes. So thank you, everybody. Glockenspiel for us. We are hitting on topics that people want to hear about. My name is Jonathan Rose. I've been trading for 27 years. The trades that we share are backed by objective data. We like to call them story-filled trades. So the trade that really kind of got everybody interested last week, BMRN. We talked about that. BMNR, not the pharmaceutical, BMRN. BMNR. When I was a market maker in BMRN. We used to call her Bum Runner, but this is not Bum Runner. This is BMNR. So thank you, everybody. Very, very cool to see. We got a lot to go over today. I got the chat open, guys. Thank you. Very, very cool. Congrats to all of us. We are just hitting on topics that people want to learn about. So let's go over to the screen. I got the chat up. I'll stay on for as long as we need to make sure everyone's questions are answered. Okay, here we go, guys. I'm going to share all the data with you guys so you guys can see. Pretty freaking cool. So normal shows, guys, we get about 500 views. But Fridays, wowee, 11,000 views, 426 likes, 59 comments. So very, very cool to see, okay? What I want you to see, though, is we're talking about Ethereum, okay? Here, we're talking about QXO, a builder stock. Ethereum, more Ethereum, lots of Ethereum. A good video here, we talk about Lyft. We talk about Unity. And then down here, we talk about ETFs that decay fast. Don't buy UVIXI. Don't buy crappy ETFs that have decay. Let's push forward. Traders are hungry for these opportunities. I am just so fired up that we had these kind of results. What makes us different? UNG, thanks, Rick. I was tongue twister. I was trying to get that out. UNG. So what makes us different, guys? Where others don't look, we want to go and trade. My passion is uncovering these overlooked trades. And ideally, we want to risk just a little bit to go for outsized rewards. Off the radar examples. Here's an example of what we've done recently. TMC, MP, and NB. All of these names are deep sea mining. TMC has just pulled back, but TMC, we were long. MP, we were long before the DOD got involved. And then NB, we were also long. We are still long NB. Those are some of the off the radar examples. Also, QXO. I love QXO, and I also love all the trades that come with QXO. Why did I circle those two? QXO, raising money to buy stock. Raising money to buy stock. QXO, raising money to buy stock. Then it'll be off to the races. Games was one of the stocks that we said they were going to buy. They put a $5 billion bid out to buy GMS, but they got outbid by Home Depot. Oracle was a Trump play, dropped down April 1st, and then rallied like gangbusters. Just an enormous trade for us. BMNR and now SBET. These are our trades that we're looking at right now. Now, when I find these trades, guys, I do a ton of research. I do a ton of research, and with these trades, I'm always sharing documents. So my little notes. So TMC, I think I put a link in here. Oh, I guess the links don't work. But for each one of these, we have a full document that explains the trade. Okay? Now, I want to share this because our all access, all closed trades, we have 11 winners and 13 losers. I'm going to walk you through those because this is insane. Here it is. Every single trade that we've shared with All Access is right here. Entry dates, well, I'll just go exit dates. Exit dates, 2024, then 2025. The average gain is 119%. The two trades that we lost, TTAN, and then we also lost LOAR. Even the TTAN trade, and I'll show you what that looks like. Because TTAN, we lost, but we almost won. Because we were short here going into the lockup. But if I walk you through our Discord community, a couple of our superstar traders have stuck with TTAN. Kevin here. August 11th, Kevin, this was a really, really great trade. I'm happy to share this. Kevin, TTAN, he stuck with the trade. He closed for 660%. In at 65 cents, that's $65 per contract, out at $5. So even with all these winners, the two losers, TTAN is a winner if you stuck with it. Our position expired. But all the names, here's NB, here's TMC, here's QXO, here's TMC, here's Oracle, and then a bunch of QQQs that we use to hedge our positions. So congrats to all of you. These are the profits that we took in our portfolio. But as you can see, some of my members did way, way, way better than just this performance. But this performance is pretty badass, if I don't say so myself. All right, guys. I got a couple of notes over the weekend. One was so sweet. When I was putting this presentation together, for the first time, I was actually reading a testimonial and I noticed myself crying. Like literally, tears were coming down my face. And I think I know why. This story is going to be about Tresa, I'm sorry if I pronounced your name wrong, and her daughter. I think I know why I got upset. My mom passed 3 years ago. So when I read stuff about somebody's mom and their kid that's just authentic and beautiful, it just tears me up. Here's Tresa. I'm going to walk you through. She joined the MIT challenge. This is the challenge. It's the cheapest way to get into our community. It's under $100. It's 7 days. Anybody can learn how to trade options. Tresa, finished day 1, looking forward to the challenge. Finished day 2, she shared her homework. Finished day 3 in June. Finished day 4, sharing her homework. We have homework, and then you share that in the Discord. Tresa, awesome. But let's push on. I haven't been detailing any of my trades because I'm experimenting with different options in 2 different services. I've been trading options for 4 years. I started with Jonathan's free game trade and then QXO, and then between the two, I made $5K. So far, I've done 55 trades and I'm sitting at a 40% profit. Jonathan, I am a believer. I can't afford all access yet, but at the current rate, it won't be too far in the future. Well, it's not too far in the future because now Tresa is part of All Access. And not only that, her daughter started watching and she made some profits on MP50 calls as well. MP traded 75. Heather P., I just wanted to say hello to the group. I'm new to All Access. new to options, much to learn about options. Tresa is my mom. How fucking cool is that? And the dog Spencer, my mom is in all access. I started in advance notice in July. Your move to Investor Place actually worked out great for me. And then thank you. I'm thrilled about it. Heather and Tresa, they live on different sides of the country. And now they're part of our Discord community, learning from me, trading with their community, and having a stronger bond because of that. That to me is absolutely beautiful. And Tresa and Heather, thank you guys so much for sharing. This absolutely made my weekend, guys. How freaking cool is that? Learn options together. People get so intimidated by options. Something to note about Heather. Heather doesn't have any options experience, but it's about the story. It's about simplifying the story. So if the story resonates with you, maybe you put on some risk. And if that trade goes against you, you don't look at the price and say, oh no, the trade's going against me. Instead, you think of the story. You go back and read the story. You research the story. Why are you in the trade? Has anything changed besides the price? If nothing's changed besides the price, stick with the trade. We like to say in the business that the market's not real. The price that goes up and down, it's just supply and demand. Don't start to think that's the real price for the stock or the natural price for the stock. Have reasons for being in the trade, do research, and then let the ball fall where it may. I've been doing this for a long, long time, guys. And this performance is not luck. All these trades, before I got into them, none of them was on technical analysis. They were all researched. There's a reason for being in the trade. I present the trade. Hey, does this make sense? You can risk 200 to potentially make 500. Does that make sense? It expires September. Those are the trades or the conversations that we want to have. That way, you don't look at your charts. You don't look at a 2-minute chart and then something goes down and you get scared and you think, oh no, here I go again. Instead, we have a Discord community. Guys, the price is down. Is this opportunity? Did anything change? Did our feeling about the stock change? Those are the conversations that can give you confidence. Tresa, Heather, thank you so much for sharing. Everybody else, guys, this week, my kid's going to be a freshman at Ohio State. I'm driving there tomorrow. I'll be back Friday for MIT's Live. But Tuesday, Wednesday, and Thursday, we have some additional content planned for you. Okay, everybody in All Access, you guys hang tight. We'll be right back. For everybody else, thank you so much for watching. Thanks for Friday. We're doing great. Keep it rolling. Thanks, guys.